y'all, this is Austin Vaughn here.
Zach Poindexter!
Here for another video today. It's a special video because we're doing something very special. We have a little project, don't we?
Yeah, we do.
Want to show them?
Be a nice, neat little project. Yeah, let's show them.
Let's show 'em, come on.
Hey guys, ready for this project? Reveal. Are you ready? Okay. Take the cameraman, and if he turns this way, you'll see this.
What's that, Zach?
A mini bike.
A mini bike?
No.
This is our project, folks. This here mini bike. Zach's had it for how many years?
A really long time. Since I was little, before I could ride a bike.
So this
Kind of
is...
pretty stupid of my parents to buy for me, I guess, because I couldn't ride a bike yet, but
You couldn't ride a bike and you're riding a mini bike.
they got it for me and I could ride a bike.
Anyway, this is our project. A cheap, old mini bike, and we will restore it to its former glory. Whew, I can go ahead and tell you a little bit of the plans. We're gonna fix it. That's our plan. It won't run. And with Zach, me and Zach will both show you that. What's up with that after we take it apart and work on it. But this is our project. You ready to start working on it?
Let's do it!
Alright, y'all, I got some good news on the mini bike. Well, me and Zach's been working on it, and we haven't been able to get it running much. But, we were actually able to get it running today. I don't know where Zach's at, but I just can't find him anywhere. Zach? Oh, there's Zach. He's riding a mini bike. He looks so funny on the mini bike. Yeah, that's our project right there. Yes, sir. We're spending a lot of time on that. That's what we've been spending most of our time on right there.
He doesn't like hills very much.
We actually got it running. And the horn works.
Okay, so even though the gas line broke,
The gas line broke.
yes, the gas line broke, so we had to take the little black rubber stopper thingy Wow, I sound real sophisticated, don't I? About what I'm talking about. Anyways, this little black piece on the back of the gas tank that holds the gas lines. We had to pop that off and take the old gas hose off so it wouldn't spew out gas when we tried to pump the little bubble that's down here to prime it. Wow, right there. We just spew out gas on this side. And Austin glued this up. He did a good job with that, keeping the gas from coming out of the bottom. Like, never mind. Bad job.
It's leaking again.
Anyways, like I was saying before, Austin glued the gas tank, but somebody didn't do a very good job. So now we have to take that off and redo it. But also bought a battery because the other one was crap. And good words to put it in.
And we also painted the gas tank and the battery orange.
After we fixed the gas tank.
After we fixed the gas tank, she runs. So we're putting her back together, and y'all will be able to see the finished product here soon. Hey y'all. Well, after about 3 or 4 weeks of time and effort, and somewhat effort from me and a lot of effort from Zach, we were able to get the mini bike running, and we finished the body. You've seen all the fast clips of us painting it.
She's real pretty now.
Yep. You ready to see her?
I don't think they're ready.
No, you're not ready. Wait till next time to see it, okay? Bye, y'all. Just kidding. Anyway. And here she is. The new and improved mini bike. All this was rusted. All the handlebars, all this was rusted. We had to take a sander and sand it all off. Painted the handlebars. And this chrome. Painted the rims chrome. But somebody did a bad job and got paint on the wheel.
So we didn't tape it up.
And we painted, you've seen the body frame get painted. This goes over the gas tank and the battery. We painted that black. We painted this. Has the key and has the gas cap. Painted that chrome. Painted the main body orange. Oh, it just looks a lot better than it did. The finished product of the mini bike.
And the horn still works.
And the horn still works. Y'all ready to see her running? You ready? Are they ready? You think they're ready?
It's gonna be tough.
You don't think these guys you're staring at right now is ready?
Those guys right there, I don't think they're ready.
I think they're ready. In order for you all to be able to see us ride it, Zach has to
put gas in it.
Yeah, because you know when you have a motor, it requires some type of gasoline.
I mean, they have the electric motor, but...
Let's put gas in the dang motor.
Austin don't know what he's talking about, okay? Ready?
Don't mess up. The mini bike, ladies and gentlemen, she is finito. Right? Finito? Is that how it goes? Is that how it goes, Zach, in that language? Finito?
I don't know.
You don't know? Alright, y'all. Mini bike is done. She is completed. Got her all painted up, looking pretty. Got her fixed. And, well, this project is completed. About a week. Turkey hunt videos coming soon. Turkey season's coming in soon, so we will get with you on that. Make sure to stay tuned to our channel. Thank you for watching this video. We will see you later. That's good, wasn't it?
Yeah. FYI, exhausts are hot after you've been running them. Put a little finger.